Welcome back to the Marketing Properties YouTube channel, where we talk all things property market with hints and tips and so much more. Today we're going to be explaining everything surrounding party walls and what they mean, who they apply to, and what to do if you are in a party wall type of circumstance. So if you're ready, let's get to it. Party wall may sound like fun, but actually it's a very misunderstood topic, and it's one that a lot of people can get quite confused about because there are very specific rules and stipulations that you must abide by if this applies to you. So today we're going to be answering the common questions, starting with what is the Party Wall Act 1996? Party wall agreements are an element of extending or renovating which all homeowners should be aware of, especially if you plan to remodel or improve your property in England or in Wales. The Party Wall Act 1996 is formulated to help you undertake work providing access to a neighbouring property whilst protecting the interest and the privacy of your neighbours. What is a party wall agreement? A party wall agreement covers the shared walls between a semi-detached and a terraced house, or structures such as floors between flats and the floors between maisonettes. The effect of any excavations within 3 to 6 metres, or alterations affecting the structures directly if the foundations are considered to be likely to have an impact based on depth. So as you can appreciate, this is very specific and complex. So let's talk now about what the party wall agreement specifically includes. The party wall award, which are guidelines governing how the works should progress. It also includes a schedule of condition of the adjacent property, which would ideally include photos in case they need referring back to, drawings or blueprints of any proposed works, details of the contractor's public liability insurance in case of claim, a neighbour's surveyor's fee, indemnities by the building owner in favour of the neighbour, and of course the full name and address of both neighbours involved. It would also include the surveyor's details and access arrangements for them, along with proposed working hours and a time limit that the work should start by, which is usually within a 12-month period. So now we've talked about what it all includes, and let's now discuss specifically what a party wall is. A party wall is a wall astride the boundary of land belonging to 2 or more different owners. A party fence wall, such as the garden wall that stands on the boundary line between your home and your neighbour's home. A party structure is a wall or floor separating building or parts of a building, for example between flats or maisonettes. What type of work is covered by the Party Wall Act? If you wanted to cut into a wall to take the bearings off a beam, this is normally what you would do in a loft conversion or to insert a damp-proof course. To raise the height of a wall or increase the thickness of the party wall. To demolish and rebuild the party wall altogether. Minor works such as drilling to put up shelves or add sockets or switches, or to go in and underpin the thickness of the party wall. So with all of these specifics and stipulations, can you proceed without a party wall agreement in place? If you fail to observe the act, it is not actually classed as an offence, but your neighbours are within their rights to take civil action against you. They can also apply for an injunction to prevent any further work until the correct party wall agreement is arranged and in place. This will no doubt halt and delay your work and lead to additional costs, so it's best to avoid this situation before starting any work. And that is everything that you need to know when it comes to the Party Wall Act, what it includes, who has to abide by it, and what will happen if you don't. Of course, it's always very important, especially when it comes to property, to make sure that the relevant contracts, agreements and insurances are in place. If this is something that you're a little bit unsure about, it's always worth speaking to a solicitor or conveyancer before you begin any kind of structural work. But we hope that this video has helped you today. If you do have any further questions when it comes to party walls or any other area of property, pop them in the comments box down below. Mark will be delighted to answer them for you. And remember, if you have a property to sell and you're in the region of South Wales, regardless of the condition or the circumstances surrounding the house, please do get in touch for a fast and free cash offer. But thank you so much for watching and have the best day.